All right, well, here's my stew. I messed up. I was gonna film doing it. I'll tell you what's in it. So we have potatoes, which I cooked off a little bit to get some of the starches out and get all that taken care of, and get them so they're not rock hard in 3 or 4 hours. Usually I do the carrots with potatoes. This time I went ahead and did because I want them a little more al dente. Um, and then we have I can't remember what it's called. It's called London broil. This is the second time we used it, and man, it was good last time. So we've got a bunch of London broil in here. We got the potatoes, obviously. We have string green beans. We have white corn. We have a lot of cabbage. We have tomatoes. Anyway, my hands are clean. What else do we have? Potatoes. We have a little bit of white onion. We have a little bit of purple onion. Green beans, corn, cabbage. You can see some of the white corn, the green beans. Usually we do cut green beans, but Shelby said she wanted to try French style, so I said, okay, let's do it. That's good for me. And then one thing, I just start kind of stirring it as I go, and I'm pretty liberal with the GPS. Oh, sorry, I'm not aiming at the thing anymore. I'm pretty liberal with the GPS, and the GPS is garlic, pepper, salt. And it's a mixture that we've used for years and years and years and years and years. Generations passed down, I guess. So they say. So my wife says. And I made this I made a little bit too much food this time. I've never put this many potatoes, and I never put that much meat in at one time. Here's my GPS. So you can see the garlic. Come on, focus. Garlic, salt, pepper. So we just call it GPS. My daughter came up with that. Shelby's pretty smart that way. So I put a little bit in there. I put a little bit of straight salt. Pretty liberal with this stuff. Usually we don't add a whole lot of anything when we're start to eat it. One thing I like to add, and my mom likes it on there, and sometimes Janine does, but her stomach's been bothering her too much lately, is green chili from Hatch, New Mexico. Good stuff. Holy moly. It's called Bueno green chili. Oh, that's not good. That was in there since last night. Here it is. Bueno green chili from New Mexico. Really good stuff. Flame roasted. If you've never had green chili, you are so missing out. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing. So, that's that. About 4 hours from now, we'll be chowing down about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock this afternoon. Uh-oh. See? It's still a little full in water. It'll probably cook some off. It's kind of squeezing out of the thing here. Let's see if it overflows. Ha ha! It didn't overflow. Voila! There we go. 11 o'clock. Yep, we'll eat about 4 or 5. I'm got it on high for now because I want to get Shelby's friend Anaya's over today, and I want to make sure she can take some home. So, cooking it fast. All right, guys, have a great day. God bless. Celery. I forgot celery. Celery's in there too. Sorry. I don't think I'm missing anything else. Tomatoes, potatoes, meat, London broil, carrots, celery, yep, corn, green beans, or white corn, green beans, I said potatoes, can't count that one again. Tomatoes, I said. Meat, I said. Okay, we're good. Ciao. How'd you get so much mud on your face? Oh, my camera's gonna get nasty. Look at you. Oh my gosh. Penelope, you silly little pears. Come here, let me see your hole. Is this your hole over here? There's your hole. There's the play hole. Nasty. It's pretty deep. Look at it that way. Wow. Silly little pig. Silly little pig or piggers. You're all dirty. Guess she's deciding to lay down. What are you doing? No, don't rub against me. Come on. Come on, Nelly. Run, run, run. What are you doing? Crazy pig. Come on. Come on, Nelly. Come on. Come on, Nelly. Come on, sweetie pie. All right. You got it on both sides. Really good. Yes, you did. Yes, you did, baby girl. Yes, you did. Yeah. That mud feel good? Huh? Come on. Run, run, run. Come on, Nelly. Nelly, come on. Hurry, hurry. Boy, she really made a mess over there. Deep hole. I'll put it in the video too. She's too funny. She just got mud everywhere. All right. Have a good one, guys. God bless. Have a great day. Okay, the pig is on me. She's following me. Maggie, come here. Bring the Frisbee here. Max, come here. Come on. You can give me the Frisbee? Can I have the Frisbee? Can I have it? Let go. Let go. Good girl. Okay, ready? Ready? Here you go. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Okay. Oh, she got it. You guys see that? Good girl. Good girl. All right, I gotta go finish mowing.
How funny.
Look at the birds out there taking a bath. That is, I've never seen anything like that. I've seen them take baths in what's the thing called? Bird bath.
Oh yeah, in the bird bath.
But now we got 20 or so out there playing in the water. I mean, everybody likes it.
Yeah.
That is funny. Well, there we go. I got a picture of some goats. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. There's the goats. All this for that. A bunch of fat goats. There you go. Take a left, buddies. There you go. Go in that field. Well, some of those are sheep.
Our wild encounter of the day. How do you
That was
feel?
fun. Only in Montana. That was fun.
Yeah, it was.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this. Have a good day, guys. God bless.